Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do VLOOKUP. This is the final result of what you will see. Now, as you can see, we have an empty sheet and we want to match and bring values over to this empty sheet taken from the data sheet, which is this what we have here. Now, let's say we have a list of names and we want to match these onto the next sheet and bring the information over. But let's jumble it up a little bit just so that you can see how VLOOKUP can actually help you match things which are not in sequence from one sheet to another. Now, let's say this is the list you have and you want to bring information over in relation to each particular person. In this instance, we have employee names, departments in which they work in, their wages, and employee number. Now, how we do VLOOKUP is we come close to the cell where we want to actually bring the information over to, and we insert a formula. So we're going to type in VLOOKUP, open brackets. So if we want to find information in relation to John, we'll click on John. So we're basically telling the system to look up column A and row 5. Then we go over to the next sheet where our information is lying, and therein we're going to select the range where we want to find information in relation to John. So we select the entire table that includes the information related to all the employees and type in a semicolon. So now we've basically told the system to look for A, which is John, in this particular range of selected items in the data sheet. Then we want to then go and select the type of information that we're looking for. Say we're looking for the wages information. Wages is in column C, therefore we're going to use number 3. A is 1, B is 2, and C is 3, etc., 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 as you go along each column. So we're going to say 3, meaning that we're looking for something that's in column C. Then we're going to close our brackets and hit enter. And there, as you can see, it has given us 8,000 in relation to John's wages. That is John, and that is his wages. Now, one more trick that you can learn from VLOOKUP is that as you drag the formula down, you might find it gives you not applicable. That is because the data range moves as you drag the formula down. So to solve that problem, let's go one back. We'll have to fix the range. So we asked the formula to search from A4 to D17. Now to fix the range, we put $signs next to the letters where the range is situated. So we're going to fix column A4 to D17 so that when we shift the formula down or drag the formula down, it does not move along with our dragging down. Now that we have fixed the range, it's going to search only within that range and give us relevant values for each employee as we drag along down. Okay, see, it still gives us not applicable, which is A4 to D17, A4 to D17. Now, another thing that we should add in our formula is to select whether we want true values or false values. I prefer to use 0 as false, meaning that if it does not find the value, then it should give us nothing. But if it does find the value, and only that value is what we're looking for, and that would then have to, that will make our formula more accurate in what we're looking for. So here we go. We're going to add a 0 right at the end of the formula and click down, and now as you can see, all the items have values next to them. So to test our theory, let's look at Duncan. If his wages is 6,300, come over to this side and you see there's Duncan and there's 6,300. Gabriel, 5,500. Let's go over to the other side. See, Gabriel is on 5,500. Now that is how you do VLOOKUP. Thank you.